Welcome to another captivating adventure with VueX, y'all. Get ready to pack your bags because today we're whisking you away to Rwanda, the land of 1,000 hills, lush green landscapes, incredible wildlife, vibrant culture, and experiences that will stay with you forever. So buckle up and let's get this adventure started. Touchdown in Kigali, Rwanda's vibrant capital. Let's check into the Kigali Marriott Hotel, a luxurious home base. Next, we visit the Kigali Genocide Memorial, a powerful reminder of Rwanda's resilience. Tonight, we're off to Heaven Restaurant for Rwandan cuisine. Get ready for a feast, y'all. Rise and shine, adventurers. Today, we're trading cityscapes for savannas at Akagera National Park. Rolling plains, sparkling lakes, and abundant wildlife await. We'll hop into a 4x4 for an epic game drive. Keep your eyes peeled for elephants, lions, and giraffes. After a day in the wild, we'll unwind at Akagera Game Lodge. Good morning from beautiful Akagera. Today we're setting sail on the stunning Lake Kivu. Imagine gliding across the water, surrounded by breathtaking scenery and the sounds of nature. Keep your cameras ready. We might even spot some hippos and crocodiles. After our lakeside adventure, it's back to Kigali for a dose of culture at the Anima Arts Center. Prepare to be wowed by the vibrant art scene and maybe even pick up a souvenir or two. Chapter 4. Journey to the majestic Volcanoes National Park. This place is truly magical. First, a detour to Iwaku Cultural Village. Immerse in Rwandan traditions, music, and dance. You'll be dancing along in no time. Tonight, we check into 5 Volcanoes Boutique Hotel, the perfect blend of comfort and adventure. Chapter 5. Get ready for an unforgettable experience. Today, we're going gorilla trekking. This is it, folks. A chance to come face to face with these incredible creatures in their natural habitat. Trekking through the rainforest, anticipation building, and then, there they are. Words can't describe the awe and wonder of seeing these gentle giants up close. It's a truly humbling experience. Tonight, we'll relax and reflect on our amazing day at the 5 Volcanoes Boutique Hotel. Chapter 6. After our incredible gorilla encounter, it's time to unwind at the stunning Lake Kivu. This place is pure tranquility. Imagine crystal clear waters, lush green hills, and the gentle sound of waves lapping against the shore. Today, we're all about soaking up the sun, taking a dip in the lake, and maybe even trying some water sports. And did I mention the view? Absolutely breathtaking. Tonight, we'll be pampered in luxury at the Lake Kivu Serene Hotel. Chapter 7. Island Hopping and Gisenyi. Ready for an island adventure? Today, we're setting sail on Lake Kivu to explore Napoleon Island. Don't worry, no emperors here, just a colony of friendly bats. After our island escapade, we're heading to the charming town of Gisenyi. Explore the bustling markets, soak up the local culture, and maybe even try some fresh-caught fish from the lake. Tonight, we'll enjoy another peaceful night at the Lake Kivu Serena Hotel. Chapter 8. Canopy Walk in Nyungwe Forest. Get ready for an adrenaline rush at Nyungwe Forest National Park. This ancient rainforest is home to incredible biodiversity. We're going on a canopy walk. Imagine walking across suspension bridges high above the forest floor. It's an unforgettable experience. Chapter 9. Chimpanzee Trekking Adventure. Rise and shine, adventurers. Today's another incredible day for wildlife encounters as we go chimpanzee trekking in Nyungwe Forest. Get ready to hike through dense rainforest, following the calls of these playful primates. And when we find them, get your cameras ready. Seeing chimpanzees in their natural habitat is an experience you'll cherish forever. Tonight, we'll relax and share stories of our incredible day at the Nyungwe house. Today, we're stepping back in time as we journey to Huye, home to the National Museum of Rwanda. Get ready to delve into the country's rich history, art, and culture. It's a fascinating journey through time. After our museum visit, we'll explore the charming town of Huye. Tonight, we'll rest up at the comfortable Ibis Hotel, ready for more adventures. Get ready for a royal experience as we head to Nyanza, capital of Rwanda. Here, we'll visit the King's Palace Museum, a fascinating glimpse into the lives of Rwanda's monarchs. Imagine walking through the palace grounds, learning about their customs and traditions. It's like stepping back in time. Tonight, we'll enjoy another comfortable stay at the Ibis Hotel. It's back to Kigali today, where we'll dive into the heart of the city's vibrant culture at the Kimironko Market. From colorful fabrics and handcrafted souvenirs to delicious street food and spices, this market has it all. Don't be afraid to haggle for a bargain. It's all part of the experience. Tonight, we'll enjoy our last night in Kigali at the familiar comfort of the Kigali Marriott Hotel. For our final full day in Rwanda, we're taking a scenic day trip to Rwamagana, the gateway to Gishwati-Mukura National Park. This stunning park is a hidden gem home to beautiful waterfalls, lush forests, and incredible views. Take a hike, soak up the tranquility of nature, and let's reflect on our incredible journey through Rwanda. Tonight, we'll enjoy one last delicious meal in Kigali before heading back to the Kigali Marriott Hotel for a good night's sleep. And just like that, our Rwandan adventure has come to an end. As we say goodbye to this beautiful country, let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible experiences we've shared. From wildlife encounters to cultural immersion and breathtaking landscapes, Rwanda has truly captured our hearts. We hope you've enjoyed this journey as much as we have, and we can't wait to share our next adventure with you. This incredible 2-week adventure for two will cost you around $7,000 with accommodations averaging $2,000, domestic flights around $500, a rental car for approximately $1,000. Delicious food at $500 and activities costing around $2,000. For this trip, pack light clothing for warm days and cooler nights. A good raincoat, comfortable hiking shoes are a must, and don't forget your swimsuit. Rwanda has a temperate climate year-round with average temperatures ranging from 68 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit. The best time to visit is during the dry seasons from June to September and December to February. If you'd love to see a different itinerary, maybe one with more gorilla trekking or a visit to the Congo Nile Trail, let me know in the comments below. And hey, how about we take this adventure even further with trips to Uganda or Tanzania? Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Until next time, safe travels from your travel buddy, VueX.